Steps to start trading. Understand the basics, learn what a stock market is and how it operates. A stock market is a centralized platform where buyers and sellers trade shares of publicly listed companies. Familiarize yourself with terms like stocks, shares, and trading. 1. Open a trading account. Choose a reliable brokerage firm and open a trading account. This account will allow you to buy and sell stocks online. Make sure to research different brokers for their fees and services. 2. Learn trading strategies. Educate yourself on various trading strategies such as day trading, swing trading, and long-term investing. Each strategy has its own risk and reward profile. 3. Practice with virtual trading. Use virtual trading platforms to practice without risking real money. This helps you understand market movements and test your strategies. 4. Stay informed. Follow market news, trends, and analysis to make informed decisions. Use resources like financial news websites, YouTube channels, and online courses in Tamil. 5. Start small. Begin with a small investment to minimize risk as you learn the ropes. Gradually increase your investment as you gain confidence and experience. 6. Manage your risks. Implement risk management techniques such as setting stop-loss orders to protect your investments from significant losses.